Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. Just a short lesson about risk management. I've 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 took two trades yesterday. I lost one of them. I won one of them. I took two trades today. These are the trades I've just taken. I just took them and I got stopped out here. I got stopped out here. My risk was 1% and then I cut down my risk to 0.5%. So, just a short lesson about risk management. How am I looking at risk management? I'm looking at risk management in the long-term horizon. Now, am I getting upset or bothered that I lost? Of course. Sometimes it just bugs you that we weren't right, in the market. There's a saying, do you want to be right or do you want to make money? We can't be right always in the market. We have to be right in our strategy and the way we are using and our strategy and the way we are risking. And if you're risking correctly, and if you're entering the market with the right mind frame and mindset that you made the best decision that you could make at that time. So, counting risk. Let me just show you how I'll count it in the series of 10 trade series. All right. I don't count trades one on one because it doesn't matter how much you make on one trade. It doesn't matter because if you count it in tens, in series of trade, this is what it can look like. You just started a new account. You're excited. You want to make money. What happens? You lose. Pop. This is our equity curve. Sorry, we lose. Okay. Then we think like, why did we lose? Let us refocus, and then we lose again. Okay, and then we win right here, and then we win right here, and we feel like we are on top of the world, and then we lose again, and then we lose again, and then what happens? We win one trade, and then we lose. In the series of tens, this might look like we lost the entire 10 series, but we didn't because we have a win rate and we have risk management in place and we have risk reward. So if these trades amount to, let's keep it simple, amount to 1 to 3. Every time I take one winning trade, it's my risk reward is 1 to 3, meaning 1, 2, 3 times 3, that is 9. I have a 9% profit on this series of 10. And of these losses, what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5% loss. 9 minus 5, I have at the end of the day, I have a 4% profit at the end of the day, end of the 10 trade series, right? So we don't want to think about it as a one-to-one, as I take one trade and then I'm either a winner or a loser. We want to think about it in series. So I'm telling you this and I'm telling myself this so we don't get boggled up into, oh, I just lost two trades because we don't know when these trades is going to be. We can have three winning trades at the beginning of the account, and then we can have a couple of losing trades all over. And then here we feel like we've just lost everything, right? They can be scattered, they can be in the beginning, in the middle, at the end, both the wins and the losses. So that's my short risk management overview of how to think about it in series. Hope this helps. Have a great day.